Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create fully working CI/CD DevOps pipeline to deploy our Flask Python application to ElasticBeanstalk on AWS. So, pre-requirement for this tutorial. We need three things in AWS. AWS IAM user access key and secret key with two privileges: full access to S3 and full access to ElasticBeanstalk. The second one, we need to create S3 Bucket for storing our deployment packages. And the third one, we just need to create ElasticBeanstalk application and environment to deploy our package. If you're not familiar with AWS, I will show you how to create everything. Our pipeline will look like this. So we have Python Flask application, which will sit in the GitHub. It's already sitting on there. We will add our GitHub actions, and GitHub actions will make the artifact, like make the deployment package, will copy it to S3 Bucket in the AWS, and from S3 it will deploy this new package on our ElasticBeanstalk application. So yeah, that's all. The whole explanation. Let's go and make it. Okay, I'm on AWS console. First, we need to create user and get access key, secret key. Let's go to IAM. Users, let's add user, let's call it GitHub actions. Click here to get the access key and secret key. Permission, click attach existing policy directly, and we'll type here S3 full access. Done. And the second one is Beanstalk, ElasticBeanstalk full access. Done. Create user, and will give us secret key. This is a access key and secret key. Just write it down somewhere. You will not see this secret key anymore, by the way. That's all. Okay, let's go and create S3 Bucket. Let's go and create S3 Bucket, which will be called ZZZ, for example. Flask up. Let's see, there's a unique name. I hope no one is using this name. So let's see. Yeah, it will give me to create. So you see we have a S3 Bucket, and it's empty, nothing in it. Just let's write down the name of this S3 Bucket. All right, so the last thing, we need to create ElasticBeanstalk. ElasticBeanstalk. Get started. Application name will be I don't know, my Flask. Yeah, my Flask. Platform we on Python. No, it's here. Pre-configure it a Python. And yeah, sample code we don't have. Just basically just click create environment. Just wait like I think 3-4 minutes. Okay, and it's done. So we can test it. This application, you have URL for this application. Just click on it. You see there's some simple application which was deployed. We will change it to our own application. So two things you need to write down also: the name of the environment. You see it's the application name was called My Flask. If you go here, application and My Flask. This is the environment which was created for us. My Flask env. Just write it down, and in which region it was created. How to find it? You can find it here. You see on the URL, or just click on here and see there's a lot of the AWS regions. So we provision our application in US to S2. Just write down this one. We need to use it. Okay, so yeah, basically we're done with AWS. Like we don't need to do nothing here. Yeah, let's go to our GitHub and continue working over there. So this is my GitHub. I created already a repository called GitHub Action Part 2 CI/CD to AWS. You can clone it, you can fork it. Just yeah, it's open, public, available. Okay, there is no GitHub action over here. So let's create one, and it will be fully working CI/CD pipeline to deploy Flask application to ElasticBeanstalk in AWS. There is our application, really simple one. You can see it's really just index page, as a main page, the help page, and for the hello, just showing hello world. something super simple, and here's the templates for with 2 pages like help and the index. All right, so let's get done it. Let's go to action, and we'll write everything from scratch again. Set up workflow yourself. We can name it main, like leave it main, or just name it as you wish. Really, it just doesn't matter. But yeah, anyway, let's leave it main. So let's go. I will put some comments here, which is nice, already pre-built it for me. This is my comments. Nice. Yeah, why not? Okay, let's name our workflow. We will call it basically CI dash CD dash pipeline to AWS ElasticBeanstalk. Yeah, nice. All right. I want to execute this on push to the branches and only master, so it will be production. All right, and I will configure 5 global environment variables already here. So I will all need them. So the first one will be ElasticBeanstalk package. This is how I name them. Package S3 Bucket name. What is the name of our bucket? You remember the name of bucket we created? And here I have it. After it, it will be universal pipeline. After it, you can download it and just use it. Just change this environment variables, and that's all. It will work also for your system. So another one, it will be EB application name. Let's make it nice. What is our application name? You remember? It was my Flask application. Another one will be EB environment name. Let's make it nice. And it was my Flask dash env. Okay. One more. Deploy package name. What's the name of the package we'll create? And let's use something what we used previously. Flask or something similar. Up dash, and let's make it like here, like this. GitHub.sh. We'll use a hash of the commit. .zip. We'll make zip file finally. So yeah, this is the full name of the deployment package. Yeah, looks good. And the last one, it's AWS region, which also we'll need. It's region name. We'll name it like this. And this is where our application are deployed. You remember where is it? It was Oregon, so it's US West 2. That's nice. So we just configured a defined 5 global environment variables. Okay, jobs. I don't know what is this. Let's just basically let's run everything from scratch. Yeah. So we'll have 2 jobs. One job will make a CI part, and the second one will make the CD part. CI part will be get our code, make the zip from it, and put the package zip file, like our deployment package, in the S3 bucket. Yeah, so let's make it. Yeah, right. We'll call it my CI pipeline. Yeah, let's call it my continuous integration pipeline. Right. We will run on runs on. I just forgot colon here. Sorry, runs on, and we'll run it on control space Ubuntu. Yeah, let's execute it on Ubuntu. By the way, if there is only one, so you just can make it like this. Yeah. Oops. Done. So yeah, next is the steps. Our steps, and we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. 4, but 5th step we will just nice step. Okay, first we just need a git clone our repository. Right, and how we do it, I think you already remember. Use, we just executing some external script which called actions checkout at v1. Done. So our code is available right now, will be available to our workflow. Okay, second steps, we need to create the zip file, basically. Create zip deployment package. All right, and we'll execute the zip command. Zip name zip -r, so it will go recursively because we have folder template. And what's the name of the package? Name of our deployment package. Here we have it. So it will be like this: env dot. So create this package, and we don't need all the files in our repository. We don't need .git and .github with workflow. Yeah, we don't need it. It will be as part of the deployment package. We just need the Python code and like README. It's okay. Just so we need to exclude something. So we need to exclude it. It's really easy. So first of all, zip -r, name of the zip file which we're creating in the current folder, and -x to exclude. And what we're excluding? *git*. Okay, this we need to exclude, so we don't need it. All right, second step done. Third step. Okay, so now basically we have the zip package. We just need to copy it to the S3 bucket. Okay, but we need to authenticate with S3, with AWS basically account. We should not write our credentials here because it will be public. Like, you always need to store your credentials in the secret places, and GitHub giving you these secret places. So let me show you how to work with a GitHub secrets. We're on the GitHub. Just click on the settings. I just opened a new tab. So I'm right now settings of my repository, and here you see on the left side secrets. Just click on secrets, and we can add encrypted, really encrypted. You cannot see the value of it after you add this secrets. So it's really secure. Okay, and it will be available as environment variables. By the way, if you will try to print it, this environment variables, you will not see nothing. You will see the stars, just asterisks. So let's name my environment variables, and we'll call it my. Let's see, I have something. My AWS access key. I will name it. Yeah, and here we just need to pass the content of it. Here we go. Add secrets. Done. You see, you cannot see it anymore. You just can remove it. That's all. So let's add another one. It will be my secret key, and just copy paste the secret key you have. We store it somewhere. Okay, nice. So right now these two environment variables with the secrets available to my GitHub repository, and we can access it from inside. Basically, we don't need it anymore. Let's go back to our code and how to configure our credentials by using these secrets. So first, let's create steps, which we'll call configure AWS credentials. Configure my, yeah. And okay, what we're running right now here is script, already pre-built scripts. Use, and the name of the script as we use in script over here. To git clone there's already a script which configure our AWS credentials. So we just need to write the name of the script and it will work fine. Okay, and this script is receiving a few parameters which we will show you how to provide. So just bear with me. AWS, this is the name of the script. Actions / configure AWS credentials at v1. Almost done with. And what this means, we're sending parameters to the script. It will configure for us everything, but we need to send them our secret key, access key, and the region. So it will do the work for us. So the parameters are AWS access key ID. And what is our parameter is how to get the secret. Our secret is, so writing $, curly brackets, and we're writing not env dot, but we're writing here secrets dot and the name of the variable, my AWS access key. Nice, that's all. The second one is AWS secret access key. So let's make it nice. Like this. And how we're providing it's also secrets dot my AWS secret. This is how we name them, right? And the last one is AWS region, and this is much easier. You remember where is it? It's here, AWS region. It's like environment, global environment variable, so it's env. Let's just copy paste it right to right. All right, done. Okay, so this part, just save it. You will use it probably a lot, and this part also you will use it a lot. This one, like this one, we will use everywhere, and just this one, if you're working with AWS, we will use it. So yeah, so we git clone. We created our package. We authenticate with this AWS, so we just need to copy our file deployment package to S3 Bucket. So let's do it. It's just AWS CLI command. What is it here? Okay, and what we do is execute run command AWS S3 copy. What we're going to copy file. Which file? This file. This is the name of the file. Let's put it here. And where are we copying? We're copying to S3 Bucket. What the name of the S3 Bucket? Here's the name of the S3 Bucket. And env dot slash. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. I told you this will be 4 mandatory steps, and 5th will be not mandatory, but will be nice step. Why not? Let's edit. Run echo CI pipeline part finished successfully. That's all. And I think I find already a mistake, typo, credentials. Well, let's save it. I mean, push to master and see if we will receive new package. Here is our S3 Bucket. If new package will be uploaded to here, just for the testing. So let's do it. Start commit. Let's go to action and see what's happening here. Yeah, looks like it's finished. We can see it's configured. It's created zip package. You see, it just added all the necessary files. It didn't edit the .git and .github, and it's successfully copied, uploaded this big file to our S3 Bucket. We just can go and check and pipeline finished successfully. So I'm here in S3 Bucket, just refresh, and here is deployment package. So nice. We just need to deploy it to our ElasticBeanstalk. But let's create another job in our let's go here in our workflow, which we will call, it was called my CI pipeline. We will call it, we just can, we can copy this. It will be my CD pipeline. So next job, just put it here, correct number of spaces, hopefully, and looks no, one more. Yeah, it's one more. Okay, my CD pipeline. Okay, run on Ubuntu also, and steps. Here we will be only 4 steps, include a nice message. So basically just the only 3 steps. Right, steps. And let's start. Name. First step. Okay. So the first one will be we need configure. Because we will work with AWS, we need to configure my AWS credentials. We just can copy paste it all this, everything from here, and just pass it. Nice. That's all. We're done with the first step. Yeah, we just configured our AWS credentials. Now we can work with AWS. What we need to do, we need to create a new ElasticBeanstalk version. And this other next step is just deploy this new ElasticBeanstalk version. All right, so let's just continue. Name. All right, and we'll run AWS commands. Okay, and this will be a long command, so we'll make the pipe. And you know what I will make on the center of the screen. All right, let's start writing. AWS ElasticBeanstalk create application version. Come on, application version. A backslash dash and the parameters. Application name. Application name, we have everything here. EB application name. Yes, it's env dot. Okay. From where we're going to create this application? It's source bundle. Source bundle will be from S3 Bucket. And name of the bucket. Name of the bucket we have here. Name of the bucket. Oops, it's $, bracket, env dot name of the bucket. Okay, done. Comma, and it's S3 key. S3 key, it's the name of the file basically. And the name of the file we have here. This is the name of a file. Yeah, this is the name of the file. Done. Next is version label, which we're creating from this file. And let's call it var, and that's all, var, and yeah, the name of the in the hash of the GitHub. So because it should be unique always. You cannot just version a new version. It always will be new version. No, it should be a different version. So yeah, let's use this. It's like really nice. It's always unique. The hash of the commit is always unique. So good to use it. And description will make commit sh dash, and well, basically same github.sh. And I think that's all. Let me just make the double check. And I see it should be bundle and not bundle. S3 bucket. Make space here. Okay, so we created new version. We just need to deploy this version. Deploy our new application version. Actually, step in here and run another AWS command. AWS ElasticBeanstalk update environment. And let's make it. It's short command basically, but yeah, let's make it maybe in 2 lines. So one line, yeah. Environment name, which we are updating, and here's our environment name. For example, environment name can be, you can just name it, then you create like a stage in production or whatever. Okay, this is the environment name. And next, which version you want to deploy to this environment. Version label, and version label should be equal exactly to this one which we created just. That's all. Basically, yeah, this one we can just configure as another global environment variable. Yeah, but yeah, that's fine. Let's leave it like. Okay, so it's done. Let me just make sure everything okay. Okay, and last step, which will be a nice message, almost as this. So just let's copy and paste it, and that's all. I can just delete everything here. It's 70 lines. Bit of CD pipeline. CD pipeline finished success. So basically that's all. If there's no mistakes, no typo, that's all. That's all. Just we will commit. We'll see new package here, and this package new will be deployed here. You will see like something start running here, and this page after we'll finish, we'll refresh. We'll see the new page. So let's commit and commit changes. And I think I forgot something. You see both jobs start running. Cancel check suites. No good, yeah. Both jobs start running. The CD can start running before the package file is completed, created. Okay, that's fine. It's failed. I just forgot something. You remember the sequences. So we want the CD will execute needs, yeah, after CI is finished. So now it's much better. Okay, so now, yeah, CI first of all working, copying our deployment package, okay, new package is copied, and CD pipeline start working, and let's see if it will work. So creating new ElasticBeanstalk application version. Oh, didn't work. Instead of the key, I just placed it also the bucket name again. Okay, yeah, my fault. Let's go and just fix it. Yeah. Always need to triple check it. Yeah, the file name will be deploy package. Yeah, where is it? File uploaded and package name, bucket name. Yes, you see the it's bucket name, and here bucket name. It should be just deploy package name, and not just a bucket name. Okay, so yeah, now it's much better. Hopefully there's no any more mistakes. Okay, it's created and looks like it's deployed, and pretty nice message, and it will go here. In a few seconds we'll see it start updating. Yep, you see it start updating, environment update is starting, and this page soon will be changed. Just let's wait until it will finish. Okay, looks it's done. You see, this is the current running version. So we'll go here and we'll refresh, which will see our Flask application running. And here's our Flask application. And it was also a help page here. Yeah, see, this is a help page. Nice. Okay, looks like it works. So let's just update and see if update is update work. We see this is a gray background. Let's change it to a black and change the color of these letters. So our programmer going updating our features and updating and creating. So we just edit here, and the background will make black, and the color will be, I don't know, let's make gold. Yeah, that's all. Just then push it to master. And that's all. Action should start working. Yeah, it's just started. We can see as soon as it will finish, this application will be updated again with new version, with new updated version. And after we click refresh here, we should see this we don't need. we shall see the new version of application. See, it's a completed CI. And it's completed our CD part, and this one should start updating in a few seconds. We can click refresh and we'll see it's already updating, but yeah, we can leave it and it should work without touching. Yeah, you see it just started updating. And by the way, if you don't know like ElasticBeanstalk, it's nice, you can really go back, roll back to a previous version really. Okay, so it was really fast. Okay, so just let's refresh it, and here our new version. Works fine. So I will show you how we can move to a previous version, like it's saving all the versions. So we're going to my application here in application versions. You see, this is application. This is a version label which we always create, and this is the description. You remember the description? Like I just made it, type it commit sh and just in this hash. So yeah, we just can. This is what deployed right now. We just can select this one, for example, deploy, and where to here deploy. And it will redeploy the previous version, so it's like really easy to go back like to previous version if something go wrong. But better just to use the production and staging environment and test everything on the staging. Only if it's okay, just redeploy it to production. So for example, here in the GitHub you can create few workflows. One will be executed on push to master, which will be production. Like you can say like it's a production CI/CD, and the staging CI/CD will be like same file, but it will be executed on push to I don't know another branch, not master. Yeah, for example, with like staging, like it's staging branch. Yeah, and it's I think it's already done. Refresh. Yeah, it's already done, and there's a previous version already. Yeah, so we just came back to the previous version. This is how you creating CI/CD pipelines by using GitHub Actions. That's all. Yeah. Hold on. Just let's Let's fix this one maybe. Yeah, why not? What was the name again? Let's copy it. The banner. Let's update the banner. Make it nice, so we can download it finally. This for name. And here we have it here. And that's all. And it will execute again, but it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. So that's all. Yep. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.